Hi everyone, this is Farah. I have such an exciting video. As you can see from the title, this is going to be a Chanel unboxing, and not just any Chanel unboxing. This is my first ever Chanel handbag. I have waited for this day for a long time to actually own a Chanel bag, just because I feel like for us in this community, and if you guys are here, you love fashion, you love handbags, you love a little bit luxury, it's kind of like a milestone to have something from the Chanel fashion house. And this is a big deal, you know, for me. And for me also, I made a video not too long ago where I talked about for my first Chanel bag, what are the different things that I would like. So I have thought about this for a long time. This is a long time coming, but I wanted to do something or get something that I knew that I would really love and hopefully use, and kind of had the qualities that I wanted without breaking the bank. I had a budget in mind. As you know, the Chanel prices now are crazy in the store. So I knew I had to kind of go the pre-love route, and I did. I bought this from Fashion File, but then I also had a couple qualifications of different things I wanted. Like I wanted, you know, some of the classic features Chanel had, again, without breaking the bank, and it being still a style more unique to me. I had talked about in my last video some of the different styles I was considering, so hopefully this bag that I'm about to unbox meets all this. But I just got this box in not too long ago. All I did was just open the tape, and now I'm going to open it with you guys. So hopefully you guys stick around and let's get started. So I have the box right here next to me. Here it is. And I had cut the tape like I mentioned, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. So there we go. First look in. You can see it just says Fashion File on there. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm going to open it in this. I bought the items from Fashion File, so I kind of have an idea. I think this is the receipt that comes in there. Let's see here. Yep, there's a receipt. So this is kind of just in like a little envelope, which is really cute. And then here's some paper with a sticker that says used is the new. There you go. Oh my goodness, I'm holding it. And inside here they just have they always throw in these little confetti, pink and gray little ones. Smells actually really good in here. And so inside the paper is their dust bag. So this is the Fashion File dust bag, and oh my goodness, I can feel it in there. Let me get this out of the way. So this bag did not come with its own dust bag, which I knew. So Fashion File usually will provide with any of their bags a dust bag, whether or not it comes with one. So, all right, are you guys ready? Am I ready for my first Chanel handbag unboxing, my first Chanel handbag purchase? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's get into it. You ready? Oh my gosh, I see it. I see it. Oh, okay, here we go. See a little bit of the handle. There it is. Oh wow. This color is even more gorgeous in person. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but it's really beautiful. Here is the bag. Oh my goodness. So first of all, it comes with a little certificate of authenticity. This is an iridescent calfskin large sheet quilt bag. So this was a seasonal bag, and Fashion File always puts this little tag on it, and it says on here that if this tag is removed, then you know you can't return it. But here is the bag. Oh my gosh. So this color, it's like a gray, blue, almost like a denim kind of color, but this is actual calfskin, and it's really soft. So just on first thing, some of my things that I really wanted with the Chanel bag was I wanted the classic quilting. So you guys can see this is not your classic, you know, double flap or single flap, but it's similar. To be honest, the double and single flaps were way out of my price range, and I wasn't sure if I would use them as much because I didn't want to be too precious with it. I wanted something that I knew I would use and wear, that I could wear casual or dressy, and I kind of thought about it and thought I didn't want a double flap just because I wanted something where I had the space to use. So some of my things I talked about in my previous video that I wanted in a bag was I wanted the quilting. So have the quilting. I wanted this CC on here because I think that's just very classic Chanel. I wanted it with the turn lock, which it has. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's really nice hardware. I've just never felt, you know, just at home like Chanel hardware. So, and yeah, it's really nice. So I wanted the CC, I wanted the quilting, I wanted it to be, to have the chain, to have the classic Chanel like leather and chain. And I wanted it to be gold hardware. So those were like my things. I was like, you know what, I'm open to other things, but if I can find something with the chain linked, the gold hardware with CCs, the turn lock with quilting, I will consider it. And then this came up, I saw it and the price was something I was like, really? It was just right a little bit above $1,000, which is still a lot. It's probably the most I've paid for a bag, but that's, I mean, Chanel bags nowadays, especially ones that kind of look like the classic flap, are in the 3,000, 4,000, 5,000s plus. So to be just a little over 1,000, I was like, what is wrong with this? And this actually looks really good. So it is a little bit like, obviously this is pre-loved, so it's a little bit maybe worn here, like a little slightly faded. But actually I kind of like that because this kind of has a denim look to it, which I really liked because I know I can wear this casually with jeans and just like a white t-shirt. But then I could also like dress it up with a dress. So this, okay, let me get into this. I haven't even opened the bag and here I am. All right, so here we go. Opening the bag. Oh, I love the turn lock. I just love that. That's really nice. So opening that. That's the inside. It's stuffed in here. Stuffing. Okay, so this is the inside. The inside is, this part is leather, this part is fabric lined. It's got one zip pocket in here in the back. Yep, nice smooth zipper. And then the inside is just one, so yeah, you can see right there, the zip pocket in the back, and then one big opening here. No feet on the bottom, and this is the sheet quilt, and it's the iridescent sheet quilt. So the leather, I don't know if you guys can see this, there is a little like iridescence to it. So it has really nice quilting here, and the quilting is all puffy, and then the back is kind of like almost like larger quilting, and it's got little pleats in here. And then this is the strap. So it kind of has the 4 grommets there on the top, and the strap is to where it can be worn shoulder, like so. I love it. And then you can also, I know you can also pull it through. Let me see if I can do this. Yeah, so the straps are in here, and you can kind of pull it through, make it a little bit longer. And I believe can be like, kind of like how the classic flaps are, be a crossbody, a short crossbody, I would say. Let me see if I can do that. I will say kind of, this one is where if you pull it, it doesn't just easily pull through just because it has this here holding the strap, so kind of keeps it in place wherever you put it. But okay, it's pulled through here. So it can be long like this. So yeah, it's okay. I'm gonna just push this back a little bit. So this is, you can see, this is like kind of like a shorter crossbody. But it's okay, like this is, it's shorter, but it's kind of how the, and look at that. It's really nice. It's really nice to just, actually it's not a bad length, it's like right at the hip. It is shorter, but it's okay. So you can wear it like this, wear it longer, or wear that shorter version. Like that. Oh my goodness! I really like this. I really like this. I mean, this is, I'm not sending this back. This tag will get cut off. I can't believe I got the price that I got this for. I love it. And I love it because it's unique. And it says on here, Chanel 31 Rue Kimbone, which that is cool to have that on the turn lock. And also on the little grommets, it says Chanel. The inside on here also has Chanel on there. But you can feel the quality. The hardware is really nice. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited. This is, you know, I think this just kind of goes to show that sometimes, you know, if you're willing to be patient and keep looking, and this was like a fun, you know, hunt for me, that you can find what you would like and find things where you don't have to break the bank and feel comfortable in the purchase and find something that's unique, because I don't know anybody who has this. I mean, if there's any of you guys who have this bag, please let me know, because I don't know anybody who has it. But I did do my research, so I know, you know, this of course is real and authentic, but I can even tell just from the quality. It's so amazing. So I can't wait to wear this. And I'm so excited I got to share this with you guys. So, wow, I now own a Chanel handbag and I love it. I love it. I love the color. I don't have any luxury handbags that are blue. So that's one of the reasons when I saw this, I really wanted it too, because I was like, you know, blue is such a color, especially this type of blue, you know, it's a neutral, it's almost like a gray blue. So like this would go with so many different things. And the size of it is perfect. It's not too big, it's not too little. And like I showed you guys, it can fit a lot. Like if I put the stuffing back in here, and that was a lot of stuffing that was in there, just to kind of fill it out. Tag out of the way. So yeah, this will hold, I mean, I'll have to do like a what's in my bag once I start using this bag and give another review, but this can hold a good amount. It's really easy to get in and out of, different ways to wear it. It's unique. Again, casual versus dressy, not too big, not too small. Feels amazing. And because it's calf skin, it's not lamb skin, it's not as delicate, which I really like. I don't feel like this is something that's the way it is with the iridescence. It's kind of has a little like that worn look to where I'm not going to be nervous about, you know, taking this out. So I am in love with it. I mean, at first glance, I know I just unboxed it. I am absolutely in love with it. Let me know what you guys think about this bag. And I would love to know, you know, this is my first Chanel handbag. Please put in the comments below if you guys have a Chanel handbag. What is your first Chanel handbag? I would love to know that, you know, like what's the style, the color, and if you don't have a Chanel handbag, what handbag from Chanel do you think you would love to be your first? So, oh my goodness, so excited. So excited. This is just awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to style this up and show you guys, but hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'm just still like in shock. You know, when I'm gonna go and try this on with different outfits, play around with it, put things in and out of it and see. So I'm super excited, but I have a Chanel bag. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If this video brought you any joy and was fun to watch, if you give it a thumbs up, this really is appreciated. It helps me out a lot. If you can, please subscribe, especially if this is your first time here, or if you're returning and you haven't subscribed. I love to have you back. Hopefully we get to do more fun unboxings like this, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. Bye.